What is going on here? While this man goes about his daily life, some of his cells are working hard to transform themselves from diploid cells into haploid sperm cells so he can successfully reproduce. This man and all humans are diploid creatures, meaning that they have a full set of chromosome pairs, or homologous pairs. Each homologous pair consists of two chromosomes, one from dad and one from mom. These chromosomes are the same length and have alleles which code for the same genes at the same locations. However, they are not identical, and your paternal chromosomes are bound to have different alleles or versions of a gene than your maternal chromosomes have. For example, at this location, or locus, the alleles from mom and dad are the same, they are homozygous, whereas at this locus, they are different, or heterozygous. In order for this man to reproduce successfully, he must first transform his diploid cells into haploid cells. This process is called meiosis. Meiosis involves replicating all the DNA in a cell and then undergoing two divisions. The end result is 4 haploid cells that can become gametes, or sex cells. This cell contains 2 homologous pairs of chromosomes. Each pair consists of 1 chromosome from mom and 1 from dad. When meiosis begins, the cell contains what looks like a spaghetti bowl of genetic information. During prophase 1, the chromosomes become visible. Each chromosome has replicated itself and is now called a chromatid pair, consisting of 2 sister chromatids. When the sister chromatids come together in their homologous pairs, we see 4 chromatids. This is called a tetrad, and it is a unique feature of meiosis. Crossing over between chromatids in homologous pair occurs during prophase 1. When the chromatids cross over, some of your paternal DNA crosses over to maternal chromatids, and vice versa. This is one way that meiosis increases genetic variability in the next generation. The end result of crossing over is genetic recombination. In metaphase 1, the homologous chromosomes line up in the center of the cell. In anaphase 1, the homologous pairs separate, and the chromatid pairs travel to the opposite sides of the cell. This stage is called reductive division, because at this point the cell goes from diploid to haploid. In telophase 1, 2 new daughter cells form. This is the end of meiosis 1. Then meiosis 2 begins. In prophase 2, the chromosomes, as chromatid pairs, once again become visible. In metaphase 2, the sister chromatids line up along the center of the cell. In anaphase 2, the sister chromatids split. The 2 resulting chromosomes travel to opposite ends of the cell. In telophase 2, the daughter cell divides into 2 new daughter cells. From our 1 diploid cell, we have created 4 haploid cells through the process of meiosis. In this individual's case, these haploid cells are now sperm. Females undergo meiosis in ovaries and produce eggs. Successful meiosis is important for successful reproduction. While this man is seemingly doing nothing, he is constantly producing sperm through the process of meiosis, so he will be ready to reproduce at any second. Good for him!